My shit just turned off, I swear to God. Bitch,
y'all wouldn't fuck with me. I thought y'all
shut your ass up, man.
I'm about to cry.
Nigga still got your location and all. You acting like... Oh man, I caught Derek ass in trap. I knew that was you because when I had left, I mean when I passed the Diesel Academy, I said, oh shit, I seen all them cars leave. I said, watch this Derek up here. I got it all on camera. I said, watch this Derek up here.
Nigga, I wasn't even paying attention. I was listening to my.
You was shocked as fuck when you seen me.
Yeah, I heard your car. I'm looking, I'm like, man, I hope this ain't nobody trying to race, but I don't get down like that. And then I see you, I was like, hey.
But I think they got a Scatpack out here though. I want to look at this bit. After that, I'm gonna go to CarMax. You know, CarMax be having all type of different shit. They'll have a Benz, then they'll have a Lamborghini.
Stupid. Oh, see, oh, look at the wide by the inside.
Oh, they do. Damn, they got a wide by the inside of this bitch. Son, guess what, son? You seen that fucking Tahoe I posted?
Yeah, that black.
Nigga, why I wouldn't try to go to Toyota and try to trade my car? And guess how much they offer? I told you. 28 fucking $1,000, son.
Boy, they had the game fucked.
Boy, too fucked up. I don't know what the fuck they were thinking.
You shouldn't took one of these.
Is that the grading you was talking about?
Nah, the other.
I think they had another. Ooh. That's how you know died. That's how you know dies on top. This is a Toyota dealership and they got this bitch on the showroom floor.
What a trunk at?
They ain't got no trunk. What the fuck? What the fuck that? They must have put that slim body up. They know they be stealing them bitches out here. Yeah. They inventory empty.
Nigga, nobody go to Toyota.
They gonna have to close this bitch down. This motherfucker's a bitch. Man, what the fuck the Scatpack at, man? I seen that bitch the other day. You know came and got that bitch. Yeah, I've been going to the Dodge dealership lately, so I don't want to go back to that bitch. They got some shit out there too, but shit, I don't see no Scatpack. Yeah, them trucks. Them trucks are ugly as fuck. Man, we might as well go back to the car.
I got an old head from the hood that put some rails on that bitch. Bitch, you need to sit your ugly ass down too.
Ugly ass.
Look at Tundra, son, that shit.
I know. I never really seen one up close though. That shit crazy.
That's the new one, son. They ugly as fuck.
I heard they V6s too. They don't become V8s.
What?
Look at all them creases and shit. Like,
bro,
I see all that.
No reason though. No reason at all. You bitches ugly.
Ugly. I ain't gonna lie, that screen pressure though.
They fucked this bitch up, man.
They did, bro. This don't even look like no Tundra.
That bitch got the audacity to say platinum.
Bitch, you ain't no platinum.
They don't even say nothing about no V on this bitch.
Oh, I ain't lying, bitch. Look at that screen, though.
Oh, yeah. See, this
That's
is
a whole TV.
Damn. So this must be the lower version of this.
Gotta be. But that screen done on that bitch, too. Is the screen and what, the rims?
Huh.
What the fuck is that? That's for the retarded people.
Trying to hold something on the bed in your truck.
The fuck you gonna hold a cooler right there? That ass grabble.
The bed's so small, they wrong for that shit.
Yeah, this shit ugly. Man, look at that police. Y'all, we finna go to another dealership. Look at that Camaro.
Police always gonna pull out his lights and come over here. Bro, get the fuck on,
Get the fuck on. Do it look like we doing something to you? Yeah, y'all, we finna go to another.
Choke his ass too.
Look at him. I always starting already. Choking the fuck out that police.
I'm gonna hit his ass with a chair.
Oh yeah, don't. Hey, them fucking chairs, nigga said we don't need no guns no more.
I'm trying to tell you.
We gonna need a chair. Them fucking chairs will fuck you up. I would have been whooping that white man. We would have been whooping their ass, son. Oh my gosh, son. We would have been fucking shit up.
I would have been cocking that bitch up.
And like I know us, we just like when we all looked at each other, I can see us shit. Y'all trying to fuck with that? I wouldn't swim across that water though.
Oh dude, he thugged out.
Yeah, he thugged out. This bitch nice though. I bet they want an arm and a leg for this bitch at Toyota.
No, they do. Bitch, that bitch come from All-Star Lane. That bitch is not originally from here. What's wrong with that?
I like the color on that bitch though. It's real. My shit just turned off, I swear to God.
Look over there on your little thing. You had gas in your car?
The fuck? Oh, this bitch tripping.
That's 28. That's that 28.
Man, what the fuck?
Must have tickled your car a little
They
bit.
did something.
Oh, shit. My car moved.
The fuck? Maybe because I'm on a slant. I mean, I got like 50 miles. The gas.
That shit have nothing to do with it.
What the fuck, son? Yeah. My shit tripping.
Hey, and that bitch just, it was like it started up, it was like it was running.
My engine light on and everything, huh?
Yeah, what the fuck?
The fuck? Oh shit. You know how to put it in neutral? Like neutral and neutral? You know how to do it? Like, I know it's a certain way to do it without the car turning on. What the fuck?
All the dealership for you, what the fuck?
What the fuck going on with my car, dog? Bro. Maybe because I'm on this slant and I only have like 40, 30 miles, I guess.
Shit, no, son, cause I ain't got a lot of gas in my car neither. I got like 40.
You smell it? It smells like it's burning straight fumes.
Try it again.
Bro, what the fuck, dog? Huh?
Try it one more time. I'm trying to find where that door is coming from. It did sound like it's coming from right here by like under the engine part.
How you throw that bitch in neutral though? Like, in neutral? Why I keep saying neutral like that?
Neutral.
Look it up on YouTube how to put a Dodge in neutral without it starting up. Bro, oh my son, I hope it's gas. Why? Why I just put $30 in the bit like
What kind of gas you put in that bitch?
I put that motherfucker down to 3.
What kind of? Oh, you been put 93 in it? I'm about to say, because probably if it's mixed, it was. What the fuck?
I know the charges is like something right there you pull.
Like you got 3 videos.
Right.
This is not 11.
Damn, bro, what the fuck? Hold up, y'all. I had to pull this off. How you push that shit back down?
Hold on, nigga. Don't put it back together now. Hold on, nigga. We might need to put it in park. See, that's not the problem. What the fuck?
The fuck?
It wasn't in park the first time, huh? Just now when you did it?
Yeah, it was.
What the fuck?
Oh my fucking goodness, bro. Dude. This shit crazy, son. How do I put this shit back down? Oh shit. Don't come over here. This shit doing the same thing?
They got one nigga in the comments saying my car did this, had to replace the fuel pump. Somebody else said crankshaft position sensor.
Dude, what you say?
We in a shitty situation.
But basically, son, this bitch is not trying to start. It got gas in it, and it's not trying to start at all. And when I was trying to start, I came back here. This bitch it had white smoke. It didn't have a lot, but it had white smoke coming from the tips. I'm not calling Leo, dude. No, Leo be trying to charge an arm and a leg. Fuck no.
Look, I just call her and be like, nigga, tell me what this sound like while my car ain't starting.
Queen know more than Leo.
You gonna wait till Quinn get his ass in.
Yeah.
Where Quinn coming from?
He coming right back down the road. Anyway, y'all, Derek said the car acting like that because I don't want it no more because I'm trying to trade it in.
Yeah, that's what I said. She done with you.
She done with me.
So she go.
Bro.
What he said?
I'm on the way. Anyway, y'all.
Be on the way 30 minutes ago.
Look like the car is over with, bro. I hope not. Cause no telling when I'm gonna be able
to. It's time for you to get one of these Toyota Corollas.
That's what it probably is.
You need to get one of these Toyota Corollas. That's what you need.
Well,
Toyota last longer. See, they good for you.
Look at him.
Get you one of them Toyota Corollas.
Toyota Corollas. Give me a thumbnail, a good thumbnail. Nigga said YouTube nigga be making all type of thumbnail. But yeah, y'all, man, if y'all know what's going on, man, y'all comment down below and let a nigga know, because I don't know what's going on.
That's some bullshit, right?
Damn, bro. Hold on, I think But yeah, man, I'm going to keep y'all updated, bro. I'm going to put the camera down right quick. My phone going dead. And we're going to pick the camera up whenever my partner get back. We is in a shitty situation. Real bad, man. Damn, bro. Man, down, bro. Scatpack is down, man. I called a couple of my partners, and they said when it turned over like that and white smoke coming from the pipes, that mean a new motor. They said something about the head gasket or something. But this bitch, that bitch wasn't even doing nothing weird when I pulled up and turned this bitch off. This bitch was driving regular. I wasn't even hitting that bitch. I was cruising. And I got a POV drive, so I'm finna see if something pop. This shit turned into looking at cars, getting the vlog in to me breaking down. So my shit not working.
Look, I ain't got no limit.
Huh?
Look, I ain't got no limit to it, this shit.
A limit? Oh, you calling my shit a limit? Bitch, your shit been limit out. Yours limit out right here somewhere, didn't it? So I was driving, his shit was glitching all them fucking lights. I know he had a heart attack in that bitch.
Electronics,
Oh, fuck no.
That bit electrically stopped working in the fundamental fashion.
I'm like, there's no way my shit shut down like this.
That bitch stopped working in the electrical fashion.
Damn, this camera dirty as fuck.
With the hood up.
Yeah, thumbnail. Well, my baby gone, dog. Well, we leaving that bitch until tomorrow. We're gonna see what's going on today. I mean tomorrow, and see what they got going on, what they say about it. But you know what I'm saying? Everything happened for a reason, so I ain't really tripping. And nigga, this turned into a POV drive / fucking going to see look at cars until breaking down. That bitch look like it's supposed to be at the dealership. It's for sale. Alright, y'all, we'll catch y'all in another video. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, like, and comment.